Hi, and
Oh
welcome to your
no,
first lesson.
this is the wrong one. This is the start. I need to go to the right one.
Mr. Deji. Mr. Deji.
Yes.
After Chideva is done sharing her screen, can I share my screen because I need help? Hello?
Do that in the room.
Okay, that's fine. You can do that in the room. Okay.
Okay, let's start now.
Okay, cool.
Hi, in this video, we're going to learn more commands that will allow us to get more creative with our Tracy programs. Let's jump in. Tracy has been drawing lots of designs for us, but all of them have been black. We want to bring some color into Tracy's world, and with the color command, we can. Simply type the word color and then a color name in quotation marks inside parentheses. Tracy and her trail will change to that color for all future commands. There are many colors that we can use. This list of acceptable colors can be referenced through the Documents tab in our code editor, so you don't have to memorize them. But there are many, many more colors past this short list found in the Documents tab. For example, all 12 of these versions of the color blue can be called with the color command. Try any color you wish to see if Tracy knows it. If not, she will not give you an error, she will just default back to black. Another command we can use to change the way Tracy draws lines is the pen size command. We call the phrase pen size and then put a number in parentheses. The number corresponds to the number of pixels in the line, so any number can be used. Any number less than 1 will default to a thickness of 1. If we want to draw a shape and fill it in, we can use the begin fill and end fill commands. We call the begin fill command before drawing our shape, which is a circle in this example but could also be any closed shape. And when Tracy's trail crosses over itself, the shape inside will be filled in with whatever color was chosen. Use the end fill command to stop Tracy from filling in shapes. We've already learned about the circle command, but we haven't gone through all the options we have for dictating the circle shape. We know that our first value in parentheses is the radius of our circle, but we have 2 more parameters we can use. After entering a radius value, we can enter an extent value, which will tell Tracy how many degrees of a circle you want her to draw. If you enter 360, she will draw a full circle. 180 will give you a half or semicircle, and 90 degrees will give you a quarter. The last parameter we can enter in our circle command is a step value. Steps correspond to the number of points in your circle. If you enter a 1 here, Tracy will just draw a dot. If you enter a 2, Tracy will draw a line. If you enter a 3, she will draw a triangle, 4 is a square, and so on. You'll notice that if you put 50 in, Tracy draws a circle, and this is because if the shape has 50 points and has a small radius, it will basically be a circle. In our first example, we are asked to draw an octagon where each side is a different color and the pen size is 10 pixels thick. Now that we know about the steps parameter in our circle command, we could just write this code on the left, and if we run this, we will get an octagon. But we want every side of our octagon to be a different color, so we're going to need to draw each line individually. First, let's use our pen size command to set the pen size to 10, and change Tracy's color to red. Now we're ready to start drawing our octagon. We know Tracy needs to move forward 50, but then how many degrees does she need to turn? Well, an octagon has 8 sides and a full circle is 360 degrees. So if we divide 360 by 8, we'll get 45 degrees. So let's add that in. Now we're going to repeat these steps 8 times to make our whole octagon. So we may think that we can just use a loop, but since we're changing to a different color every time, a loop won't work. So let's copy and paste these commands, and we can just change the color each time we use it. And there's all 8 sides of our octagon. Perfect! In our second example, we need to draw a circle, triangle, and square from the same starting point. They all need to be filled in with different colors. We're going to start our program by drawing a red circle. So I can use color red, begin fill, and then circle 75, and end my fill. If we don't include any further parameters in our circle command, Tracy will just draw a circle as she has for the past few lessons. We can use these same commands to draw our square, so let's copy and paste them and alter our color to blue, and use our advanced parameters in our circle command. So we want the circle to be 360 degrees and have 4 points. I can copy and paste this again to draw my triangle. So I'm going to change my color to yellow, and I again want it to be 360 degrees, and I want there to be 3 points now. Let's see how it works. Awesome! In this lesson, we learned a bunch of new commands that will allow us to draw more creative images with Tracy. Use these commands and those you have already learned to complete the next set of Tracy exercises.
Okay, so do I press continue now? Hello?
Yeah, continue.
Okay.
Yes.
How would I change Tracy's trail to a yellow line with a thickness of 10 pixels?
Yeah, so does anyone have any ideas on like
Oh,
how
I know the answer.
Oh wait, who's that speaking?
I know the answer.
I know the answer.
Is it?
How would I change Tracy's
That is a question.
to a yellow line with a thickness of 10 pixels?
It's number 2.
It's 2.
That's what I was thinking.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think it's 2.
yeah, 2 sounds good to me because it uses parentheses and has to.
Yes, we got it there.
I also thought about the speech marks because it's tagged.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It uses-
because if you don't add the speech marks, it doesn't make sense. Let's go to the next question.
So what is true of Tracy's
This is
color command?
You can only do it in the color.
So the first one says you can only use hex.
It's the last one.
It's the last one.
The last one.
This one. I think it's this last one.
The last one.
Yeah, I think
that's
it's
what
the
the other
last one.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
last one.
The last one. So
Okay. Question number 3. What is the correct way to draw a circle that is filled in? It's the last one.
It's the first one.
It's the last one.
I don't think
Actually, it's the first one.
one. It has to be
It's-
the first
I think it's the first one.
one. So. I think maybe the last one.
Actually,
Actually, the first one.
I think it's the first one.
Yeah, I think it's the first.
Same.
I think it's the first one.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
It don't have begin and
because
fill and end fill, so it can't be. The last
there's no begin fill in the last one, so it can't be.
Yeah, plus you can't begin and fill when you've already done it. So that would be the middle one.
So,
Then the other one is-
oh no. What would be the output of the following command?
go.
Circle, because the
hexagon.
No, the fifth one.
Can
Circle.
somebody talk one at a time?
Yes.
It's the third one.
I can't
see
see
the second one.
All right, guys. Let's all.
Please somebody talk one at a time.
Guys. Excuse me. Guys, can everyone put their hands down first of all, and like mute their mics? Because if you want to talk, I want us to put our hands up because it's getting a bit too loud. I like the way we're all contributing, but it's a bit too loud. So who has an idea on what we should do?
Grace, what do you think? Grace?
I think it's actually.
Stop telling
I
people.
think it's the third one.
So you think it's the So Grace, you think it's the third one? Okay, let's see
Yeah,
what other people think.
Let's see what other people think. Shibidun, what do you think?
I think it's the third one as
You
well.
think it's the third one?
Okay.
Tunde,
Yeah.
The second one.
I say the third one.
you say the third one. All right, I think
I think it's the
Shibidun,
third one.
I think you should go for the third one then.
Yeah, I think it's the third one as well.
Yeah.
I think it's the second.
Yes.
Yes.
See? That's a,
Nice work, guys.
Who's drawing on the screen?
What's going on?
Stop.
I don't know.
Maybe someone's
Okay.
using.
So why do you guys think is it?
I didn't mean to.
odd?
I was the one that missed
What
the
would be the
control.
output of the following command? Ooh. I think it's the
I know
third
which
one.
one it is. I think it's the third one. I mean,
Yeah.
the first one.
I think
I think it's the third one. Okay, let's see what.
third one too.
Let's see
I
what
think it's
people.
the first one.
Wait, no, I don't think it's the third one because
Dara, what do you think? One at a time. Dara, what do you think?
I think it's.
I think the last one.
First
that's
one.
the first one.
Guys, can we please?
No.
Can we
It's
please do
the
it one at a
first
time?
one. It's the first one. Yeah, first one.
Yeah, it's the first one. I agree.
I think it's the first one. I think it's the third one.
Grace, what do you think?
It can't be the
think it's the
third one
first
because
one
it says
Don't
180,
take me on top of
which
my
is
head.
half.
Guys,
180 means
one at a
half.
time.
Look, one by one, okay?
Ugh.
I think it's
Oh, you
supposed to be.
Everybody,
Okay.
can you please mute yourselves? Please. Okay, thank you.
And it's the first one.
Tribudum, what do you think?
I think it's the first one.
Okay, you think it's the first one? I think it's the third one.
I think it's the first one.
I think
Okay.
it's first.
Grace, what do you think?
First.
Grace, you think it's the first. Okay.
I think it's the first one.
I think it's the first because
Shay, what do you think?
I think it might be the first one, but Chidebe, we can't really hear you that well.
I think it's the first one.
Guys, it can't be the first one
It could.
because it's only got 2 corners, not 3.
Yeah, but guys, look. If you look at
Oh, I
Wait.
think it was the first.
wait,
Come on,
guys,
start.
if you look at the code, the last number says 3, so it has to be a 3-sided shape. So it either has to be the first one or the third one because
the second one.
sides.
The second one also
No,
has 3 sides.
That corner says
Wait,
three sides.
guys,
It
guys,
can't
I
be the
know.
third one.
Guys, it's the third one because 180 divided by 3 is the triangle.
That's fine.
Smart.
A triangle.
That is smart.
I'm not too sure about that. I mean, there is 180 degrees in a triangle,
Yeah, so
and it does have 3 sides.
I think it's the first one because in the video it said 360 for a whole shape.
The first one, yeah, but a triangle is different. It's only got 180 as
It's
a whole.
18 divided by 6.
You shouting. Just press the button and let's go.
Just
Okay.
watch.
The first one.
Alright, guys. We're gonna settle this easy. Oh, okay.
It's obvious the first one.
What's easy?
Okay.
So everyone.
80 divided by 6, maybe.
So what's the first one?
Divided by 6. I
Okay,
think
can
we'll
we
have a
please?
remainder.
Okay, can we please be muted now? Can we please be muted now?
Sure.
Okay.
Can we please be muted now, guys? Thanks. Thank you, guys. Thanks.
Let's see.
Alright.
Oh,
So-
that's so colorful.
Yeah, so in this one we're
What kind of
literally just
copies?
exploring how she makes this. How she makes the octagon. So we look at the code she used. She literally just like copies and pastes but just changes the colors. So yeah,
That's so beautiful.
it's quite cool, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I love rainbows, and that
That's the
looks
smartest thing to do, actually.
rainbows are my favorite.
And in this one we're literally just exploring.
Magenta is
No,
my favorite.
let's just concentrate on our work and find out what the answer is.
Okay.
Wait, I'm running. Okay. Okay, so this is the other one. So
I remember this from before.
Wait,
let's
I'm going
see.
to look. I have a plan.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's just beautiful.
I know. It reminds me of Superman.
Hello.
Hello.
Some
Does it remind you? Who's singing?
All right. So the next one. All right, guys, can we please be muted again? Can we please be muted again?
Okay.
All right. So in this next one, we're gonna actually be writing some code.
Oh no.
You're supposed to be on.
Wait, guys.
You solve that one too.
Everybody mute themselves.
Yeah, everyone please be muted. Everyone.
Wait. I have a question. What do you have to do?
Everybody. Just be muted, okay? And then talk one by one, okay?
Oh, thank you, Isaac. Thank you.
And Chidera, your video.
Yeah, Chidera, your video is on.
Hear anything?
Oh, sorry.
Guys. All right. Can we please all be muted? All be muted. All right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Does anyone have any questions? If you have a question, please raise your hand. If you don't have a question, please lower your hand.
There, you can unmute yourself.
Okay, now we have to ask people what they think this thing is.
Wait, I'm just asking if people have any questions first. Does anyone have any questions?
Yes, any questions before we start?
All right, I don't think so then. Oh wait, Daisy, all those people raising a hand. Do you have a question? All right, Excel, I think you have a question.
No, I didn't have a question. I wanted to make a statement about the puzzle we're doing.
All right, we're coming to you.
Whoever Prince says, please can you unmute yourself? Mute yourself, I mean. Sorry.
All right, Kairos and Joshua, do you have a question?
Please, can we
Excel, I think yeah, of course. Okay. Of course. All right. I don't think anyone have any questions anymore. All right, let's get to coding. All right. So, Chidera, can you please go on assignment and let's go and read the information?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay.
Write a program that will draw three color.
Everybody stop. Talk one by one.
And you think
are you guys ready for me to read now?
Yeah. Chidera, continue reading. Please, everyone be muted.
Everybody, you're not meant to be unmuted. Turn your video. It's illegal.
Write a program that will draw three colored triangles next to one another in the center of the canvas. Make sure the triangles have sides of different colors, red, green, and blue. Have sides that are 50 pixels long, are centered around the y-axis. Have sides drawn with a thickness of 5 pixels. Hints. Tracy's drawing 4 triangles, which means that 2 should be left on center and 2 should be right center. Each triangle has a width of 50. This should help you figure out where to place Tracy to center your triangles. Try to figure out how you can use a for loop to shorten your code. Okay. Does anyone have an idea?
All right, thank you, Chidera. All right, guys. Okay. So let's not get this too crowded, okay? If you have any ideas, can you please raise your hand? If you have any ideas, I will go through it one by one, okay? I don't want anyone not too loud because it's getting a bit loud. Yeah. Okay? So if you have any ideas, raise your hand now and we'll go through it one by one. Okay? All right, Tunde, let's start with you.
You could start with color, apostrophes green, and then apostrophe. No, speech, whatever. Speech, I don't know. And then
don't we need brackets?
Yeah, bracket. And then brackets. You put the color green. I mean speech marks, then green.
But don't you think we need to change the pen size first?
Apostrophes green. And then speech marks and then bracket again.
All right, Tunde, thank you for that. But don't you think that we need to change the pen size a bit?
I agree.
But is there any video of this so we
Because-
can understand?
Okay.
That's ditchy.
Alright, thank you, Tinder. Thank you very much for that.
So we need pen size.
Yeah, like I think maybe you should change the pen size to like.
Oh, what is that?
What's that sound?
Whoever's making that noise, please mute themselves. There's a
Yeah, I think it's called the headphones.
the coding.
Okay.
Okay, alright, next person. Alright, thank you, Tinder. Alright, Justin. Justin, you have your hand up. Do you have anything to contribute? So Shadera, I think you should make pen size 5 first.
Pen size 5.
Yeah, pen size 5. Let's make it a bit thicker than what it is right now.
Yeah.
Oh no, I do not know this. Sorry.
But when the drawing is not that thick.
Okay.
Whatever's that music comes
Because
Let me believe.
Yeah.
Believe on.
Okay.
Any other ideas?
Hey, Kamzi, do you have anything you want to say?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So what you need to do first is change that color green to color red.
What? Please say that again.
Because mine start from the bottom.
It's not funny. Stop.
So Grace. So what I think we need
I'm not sure.
Oh, I mean, you change the color. You should be color green. Then you now put left.
Excuse me.
Left 110. I think.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Who's that?
Posted.
What is that?
Color green. Then you now put
Maybe can't hear them.
Excuse
Hello?
me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think we should go backwards a little bit first because we start in the center.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
What I did, I put
Yeah.
set position -50.
Oh, I think you're supposed to do it that
Wait,
way.
you can do that.
That way you can make it a wait. I think you're actually supposed to do it the way he said it because it turns you to the side and then you can make make it,
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
I put set position.
Whoa!
0 -50.
I don't think
Who
you've
is
learned that
deleting
yet.
everything?
does anyone else want to ask a question?
Please, if you want to control the screen, please.
I think maybe first.
Who said they want to control the screen?
Maybe.
No one said that.
All right, guys, it's getting loud again.
Everybody,
I think I want to and type.
Wait, guys.
everybody, can you?
Daisy, do you want to control my screen?
Yep, it's Carrie and Josh.
No.
Carrie and Josh.
said that.
Can I say something?
What's his name now?
Wait, guys. All right, guys. Can you please all mute yourself again, please? Can you please all mute yourself again?
No.
Everybody's getting crowded now. Be quiet and mute it. Can't be loud.
Carrie and Josh said that.
Alright, guys, can you please all mute yourself?
Guys, mute yourself right now.
Only meant to turn left 45 first.
Yeah, only meant to turn left 45.
Stop it.
Uncle, I think everybody's making noise.
He used to
Sorry.
pull his.
No. You guys are not.
Okay, thank you, everyone. All right, guys. Let's go back to our original plan. If you have any ideas, raise your hand.
So, Karis and Joshua.
Yeah, I heard that. Charis and Joshua, you wanted to say something.
Maybe you should start with backwards. Maybe you should start with the red
Who
line.
has a baby in the background? Please mute yourself.
Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. All right. So, all right. Thank you. It's all under control now. All right. If you have any ideas, raise your hand. We're gonna go through.
You should start with drawing the red line.
Excuse me, I've been raising my hand and no one put.
Maybe you should draw the red line first.
Everyone, calm down.
I think
Everybody calm down, okay?
10.5 and then.
Guys, this is not. We're not making noise. This is not a noise place. This is a coding place. So,
Uncle?
can we just continue?
If this was Uncle, then you people wouldn't be.
Everyone keep quiet.
Guys, hold it, okay? So you've got two leaders, okay? You need to listen to them. That's important, okay?
Excuse me, but I want
All right.
Joshua.
All right, Karis and Joshua. We've been trying to talk to you, but I think you've got some background noise.
I can't hear anyone because someone.
Hold it, okay?
Can I speak?
Okay, you need okay?
Yes, Uncle.
So, Karis and Joshua.
Yes, so I was
All right, Karis and Joshua. We've been trying to talk to you, but I think you've got some background noise.
Okay, yeah. So what I was trying to say is that because someone.
Guys, Uncle speaking.
Someone's really late.
He's not. That's an echo from before.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay, Karis and Joshua, please.
Yeah, Karis and
I think
Joshua,
someone-
you can speak now.
Everybody, we can just do this one by one. After Karis and Joshua, that can be anyone's turn.
Excuse me.
Yes?
So I was just gonna say, since nobody changed it to that I think we should go backwards, but I need to ask how much we should go backwards because I'm not quite sure.
Okay, guys.
Can I share my screen in this place because this is the part I need help with?
Okay, don't worry, okay? We can look at it now, so you need to look at it together, okay? And let's try to make it interactive. I like the fact that it is already interactive. Initially, I wanted to break you into different groups so that I can do it in the room, but it's really going well, okay? Because I can say I don't want. Yeah. So you guys are talking, interacting. That's really brilliant. Let's try to do that for this one, okay? Okay, can we solve it, okay? And
Karis and Joshua.
I wanted to break into room.
Can someone mute themselves, whoever's humming?
I was gonna say that I think you should leave a space and right, left 45, and then do forward 50.
What? Oh,
Left.
we still need to do backwards about 50.
Should
Actually,
I
we should do
do
backwards
this?
100.
You're making notes now.
Calm down.
Yeah, we should do backwards 100. So we're like one quarter in.
Everybody,
Whoa!
And everybody mute
Karis and Joshua,
themselves.
please.
okay, guys, you need to listen to the lead, okay? I've got two leads, okay? They are the one that will be telling who needs to speak first. If you are not called and you are talking, then I might put you in the waiting room, okay?
All right.
So
Thank you.
Dara and Oluwatishe, okay?
Okay, thank you, Uncle. All right, Tisha, I know you've been bursting to say something, so it's your turn now. All right. Like, do you have something to say?
I
Like,
thought you should leave
how can
that
we like?
space. I think we should leave a space. So you leave that space and go to the next one, and then you go left, and then you put parentheses 45, and then you put up parentheses,
Okay.
and then
Okay. I see where you're going.
Too fast.
Wait. I see where you're going to share. I know exactly what you're doing, but I think there's a step before that we have to do.
I agree.
There's a step before that we have to do, and I think a lot of people have been trying to say it, but because of all the noise, we can't really hear it. There's a step we have to do. Lots of people have been saying backwards. We need to boot backwards. We need to do that, but there's a simple way we can easily do it using that special term called set position. Does everyone like remember that thing, set position?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. So we need to set position it so that we set position to that point, like where the green starts going up and the red starts going forward.
Yeah.
So we need to Shidera, it doesn't begin with a capital P, not capital P.
Oh, small p.
Yeah. Okay. So before what you did there, Tisha, we need to move set position -50, 0. So can you do that, Shidera, really quick? Set position.
On here.
Yeah. Oh, you might want to put your pen up though, because we don't want like a trail moving around.
Yeah, so we can go up.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. So Tisha, I really like your idea there, and that idea is going to be very important for us. Shidera, I think you might need a parenthesis after your pen up.
Okay, I need to close it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to close it with 2 brackets, I think. Yeah, you have to do 2.
No, that's not right. You put the 2 brackets after the pen up. Otherwise, it's not going to work, and it will say it doesn't recognize it.
Okay, then let's see them. Okay, this is
all right.
All it shows is green.
Wait, Shidera.
I think we're running out of time.
All right, sorry. I think I reconnected. Shidera, you need to change that parenthesis from the beginning to
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
Yeah, like just before the other parenthesis, you need to put an opening one.
Okay. Oh, now I get what you're saying.
Yeah. What?
No,
yeah, like that. Yeah, good. Okay. Well done. Now set position it to does anyone have an idea where we should set position it to?
So triple
before I want a horde of noises. Before I want a horde of noises.
Oh no, I'm stuck with X. Oh.
Before I have a horde of noises, who thinks they knows where to put the set positions? If you have your hand up, I'll see.
So no, Femi.
So Dara, do you know where we have to put the set position? What coordinates we need the set position to go?
I think it would be. Well, I know. I'm not sure.
For me, I'll put the set position -50, 0.
So I knew that we had to go -50.
Okay, Dara, you can control the screen now, and let's see what you think.
Okay. Okay. So right now it's not letting me type anything, and I don't know why.
What device are you on?
I'm on a laptop.
Yeah, I'm on a laptop as well. Okay, you're controlling it now. Can you still?
So how do you write it again?
So it's -50.
Yeah, but how do you write?
So you have to write set position. You have to type in set position.
Set position.
But put a space in right position.
No. You don't put a space. You don't put a space. Don't put a space.
It wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, because it wouldn't make sense to Python. Python wouldn't understand that.
That's allowed to spell position. Does it have a T?
I tried.
Okay, that's bad.
It has a T.
Wait, there's an I after that S.
There's an I after S.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good. -50. Then you have to put a comma. 0.
Okay.
I'll put the comma. Okay, you already know what comma is. Okay.
And then
2 zeros or just 1?
And then close the parenthesis.
Yeah.
Then close it with 2. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So now we can go into Tisha's idea of making sure we for us to start putting in the left stuff and blah blah blah.
Tisha,
So do you want to unmute your mic again and say what you said before?
Yeah. She said it will go backwards.
Is Tisha still there?
If you go backwards, you need to put a space after the set position. And then you need to write left.
Oh no.
So you said So Tisha, you're saying left 45?
Yes.
Left 45.
And then you need to write forward. And then you need to write forward parentheses 50.
Right,
Oh, she is going too fast.
Before the forward, you need to put a pen up.
You said left 45.
And then
I mean pen down.
Then forwards what?
I think forwards 50.
Okay. I think it's forward, not forwards. Not sure if we'll get an error.
It's not forwards. It's forwards.
There. Shall we run and check code to see if it's correct?
yeah, let's see where we're up to. That's a good
Wait,
idea to be
I
checking.
didn't mean to. I mean, wrong code.
It's a good idea to be checking.
Oh, we need
where
to
we're up
put
to.
pen down. How did we forget to put pen down?
Yeah, I think we might need to put pen down like after set position. Yeah, after there. Close the parentheses. Yeah, nice. Good.
No, it's after
I'm getting stuck on. Can I
Wait, let me just check assignment because I think it said it should be.
Full triangle.
I thought it said it should be pen size 10. Okay, it doesn't say that, so we can do pen
it could be.
size.
We can choose any pen size we want.
Yeah. But it kind of does look thicker than this.
No, it
And
doesn't.
it kind of looks shorter on this.
because they're not the same size. It's a smaller version.
Anyway, it's
Okay, does anyone have any other ideas? Darius is controlling my screen.
Okay. It's gonna be loud.
I think don't worry about the size. Okay, let's try to make sure it is that. Okay, something like that. Okay.
All right,
what's the next thing to do?
All right, Nifemi, do you have the idea for what we have to do next?
I think I do. So it's now on the screen where we're at.
So we've just got to this part where we've got the green part, but now we need to put a blue part and make sure it's facing the other way around. So
I think we're gonna have to Control C, then change the color to blue.
I was talking.
Guys, one after the other. Okay.
Okay, please, can I say what I think, please?
Or turn your video off. Alright, you need to turn your video off.
Yeah, because it's illegal.
It's not illegal. You just shouldn't be doing it to protect you.
Someone
Okay,
has their
so-
hand up.
How would that protect us?
Because people might be hackers.
Please can I share my screen and show you what I'm doing because I'm stuck on something.
I think why don't we try and continue this though?
Yeah, I think we should finish this so our work is saved. And then if we have time next week or something, then we can let her share her screen.
Wait, can we share on save on code HS?
Yeah, once you've finished and you press submit and continue, then it's saved. Or I could just press save here. So, what do you guys think we should write next?
I have no idea.
Does anyone ask?
Wait, guys.
So Nefemi, did you say your idea? Did you say what you had?
I didn't say my idea. Just say
Kamzi, what do you think we should do next? Kamzi, can you please unmute yourself?
I'm taking off the sound of this.
Okay, thank you. So, Kamzi, what do you think we should do now?
I think we should forward 50. Oh, you've already done that.
You need to turn.
No.
You need to turn right.
Yeah, I think you need to turn.
You don't.
I think you need to turn right. I think turn left first. I think you need to turn left first.
Dara, your boss is going all over the place.
I also think that instead of forward. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Do you guys want me to tell you my idea?
Yeah.
What is it?
Should I say my idea? What I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I have to be mad. Say it.
Okay, so I think since we've got this green, yeah, now we need to do the blue side, don't we?
Yeah.
So we need
to Control C this and then change the color to blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get what you're saying there, but we can also literally just change what's it called, the turtle's we need to change the turtle's direction. So I think it needs to change 90 degrees. Yeah, I think the turtle
if you change it to 90 degrees, then it's like going at
yeah, but it needs to go right 90 degrees.
Oh wait,
guys, we have
maybe
3
at least
minutes.
50 though.
Guys, I'm only waiting for you to finish this one. We should have finished. Okay, we have 3 minutes more so that we can finish this on the Python and move to the next one. I know you guys have been deliberating, which is what I am. That's why I kind of quiet to see how you guys are doing it, which is really, really brilliant, to be honest, because that's another important part. When you are trying to solve problems, you need to hear from both sides. You need to, there are different ways to do this, actually. Do you get now? But the conversation is also very, very important. And also, you also need to know how to send your information across for other people to understand what you are saying, to communicate your ideas. This is very, very important in web development or app development as well. So it's very, very important. That's why I can say you guys are doing very well. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes quickly to do the first iteration, up and down, right? And then, yeah.
Breakout rooms.
Guys.
No, there won't be today, okay?
Okay.
So,
Uncle, but I think some people are actually kind of being rude to some people because of when other people are talking, people are just like kind of interrupting.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to calm everyone down. I know some people kind of they are very eager to talk. Okay, so that is good. But we need to give everyone time and chances to talk. Okay, let's resolve this quickly. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So I think that first we should change color to blue.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
So, Chideva, do you want to do that then?
That was controlling my screen. I can't do anything.
I can give it back if you want.
No, it's fine. I like chilling anyway.
Color.
Let's focus now.
Apostrophe.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the sign.
Don't worry, I've already done it.
Cool. Green. I mean blue, sorry.
Okay, there.
Okay. And then we should do.
Okay, so
Supposed to do pen size before the color.
No, because if we've already done it once, then it'll stay like that until we need to change it to a different pen size.
Right. Oh, okay.
So I think we should do like what we did here. Like what we did here. So I should literally copy this. Or we should do right instead.
I think, yeah, we should do right instead of left again.
Yeah, let me just copy this.
You can paste that, then change the other one, okay?
Excuse me?
Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry, continue.
Uncle, how many minutes do we have?
Excuse me?
We got 2 minutes. Yeah, who's that? Please, can you talk? Yeah, continue.
Isaac. So how many minutes until we leave?
Yeah, we got 2 minutes left, okay? Let's just finish this, okay?
Can I talk? Every time
Please.
I started to talk, someone was interrupting me.
Yeah, I know. Don't need to worry, okay? So I know today is kind of giving everybody a chance to be able to talk, but that's okay. So don't worry. So what have you got to say, Nifemi?
I wanted to do something before, but I couldn't get the chance to say it.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Don't worry. I'll give you time in the next class, okay?
Okay.
Are there gonna be any rooms in the web development?
Yeah, I know you guys love rooms. No, because
please
who
don't
is typing?
annotate.
Who is doing that? Can you hold on 1 minute?
Quiet.
Should we run code?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wrong code.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, I forgot. So let's do about. What do you think we should do? I'm gonna.
Well, do you know on the green? And green and blue, you have to carry on. One, like repetition.
Try 75.
Okay. If you guys need to talk, you need to get your hands up. Okay. Can you everyone lower their hands, please? Can you lower your hands, please? If you need to talk, you raise your hand up. Okay. All right. Nifemi. Okay. All right. Cool.
I'm also got Karis and Joshua. Do you have anything you wanna? Karis and Joshua, are you still there?
Yeah, so maybe I was thinking that we could start drawing the red line first and then do the triangle.
Okay. All right. So you know what? So this is the target I want to reach today. Okay. I think Karis and Joshua, you guys are right. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to say that let us go home and try this on ourselves. We already know the first bit right now. We already got a bit of the triangle done. Okay. So you guys should go and do this by yourself. Okay. So when we come back next week, we're going to start from here. Okay.
I just saved the code, so
yeah,
and this is one thing that I quickly want to try.
So if you can send that code to everyone on the chat, okay, or send it to me so I can send it to everyone. So that will be the starting point. for everyone. So that's not right. Okay.
I think it's 105. That's closer, but too much.
Could it be 90? Like 90?
Yeah, let's try that. I never thought of that. 90, wrong code.
Yeah, that's it.
It's pretty much a little bit bigger.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how close you can go.
Okay, can you copy that and send that to me? So that will be it. So we will take 5 minutes break. Okay. It will take 5 minutes break. Then after that, we'll come back. So when we come back, we do the web development. So what we're going to do in web development will be demos for those guys that got anything to demo. So then if you have time, we can break into rooms. Okay. So we're going to do like a showcase. Okay. So thanks to Shidara, Dara, and is Shidara, right? And Dara and Oluwatushe for this evening. Okay.
Excuse me, can I share my screen next time?
Okay, if you don't promise, so yeah.